Gates of Spain is one of the favored 55-plus communities in the high desert. Offering a large, well-amenitized clubhouse, with a billiards room, sparkling pool, comforting sauna, and in-ground spa that offers stunning mountain views and accessible private outer deck, this quiet, well-cared-for community will steal your heart. This one is big, at 1,440 square feet of indoor space alone. This large and lovely home offers a spacious front living room, but also affords a second seating and family room/den just past the kitchen with a handy pass-through bar. A large and upgraded, dual-pane sliding glass door leads you onto a spacious elevated deck that is beset with lush landscaping that lends privacy to all. The heavy, fruit-bearing lemon tree will be a favorite. The dining area is outfitted with a built-in buffet, china cabinet for the extra storage you will love. The accent mirror adds to the spacious feel. The kitchen is outfitted with a gas cooktop, dishwasher and spacious pantry with plenty of cabinet space. Newer central AC and heating will keep you comfortable year-round. The additional evaporative cooler offers an energy-saving option that is sure to please. Newer dual-pane windows have been installed throughout, adding to the energy efficiency of this great home. The primary bedroom is humongous with a large soaking tub in the primary bath. The secondary bedroom has its own private access to the guest bathroom, lending to its two-ensuite feel. Each bedroom is outfitted with large walk-in closets that you are sure to love. The large storage shed under the carport driveway offers a ton of storage for all of your needs. Colorful outdoor lighting adds to the festive feel and makes this the favorite outdoor gathering spot. Don't